Jai Ram. About 50 years ago, I started working on this human resources development. Technology and science and technology developed so much. Now they call it artificial intelligence. I am giving supreme intelligence that is more powerful, needed. I started writing several essays. In this Dharma Mark, human resources development, a spiritual view. Human being is a spiritual being. 84 lakhs species, how they live, they are all programmed. I see in the animal planet, the species there. In India, we are the safest. In the creation of the world, India is positioned in such a way, we have the mountains, the Himalayas and the Kanyakumari. So whatever may happen to the world, India will be secure. Gods have chosen this land. That is how now they are giving Aadhaar card for all activities in the world to get ration and other things. I am giving Uddhar card because Veda says Atmodharanaya Jagadhitaya. You have to develop yourself, your personality towards a spiritual being as a spirit. Then the yogas are there, 20-30 yogas are now developed. I have given the Shanti Yoga because all Vedas end with Shanti. Asanta Sakuta Sukham Shantam Vileka Saukyam Ledu. So peace is the highest thing. You live in peace after death, but you live in peace here as you live. May his soul rest in peace. Why? Why not live in peace? I have given the Shanti Yoga. Then I have given for the world Wake Up India, 16 volumes, 4 volumes have come now. The other volumes are in the pen drive and the hard disk. So 4 have come. And then the secrets of creation. Sun is the permanent thing. We get everything from the sun only. If we salute, do namaskar to the sun, it's equivalent to the 33 crores or any number of these divine gods, goddesses. Because everything has come out of the sun only. Earth has, moon, earth, everything, life comes out of the sun. So salute the sun every morning. That is my Shanti Veda. All the 3-4 Vedas are there. I have given the Pancha Veda. And 3 Acharyas are there. Advaita, Vishishtadvaita, Dvaita. I have given the Ramadvaita Vedanta, the 4th one, final one. Ram. That is the mantra, the supreme mantra, which the earth and heaven, Atma Paramatma, that is how Ram, that vibration. Because the entire world, the universe, the astrophysics, everything is based on the vibration only. So, Ram is the vibration which reveals the truth of God and truth of creation. I have brought out this Rama, 12 noon, Rama was born, and the sun at the peak. Krishna, 12 midnight. So the entire world is going round them. My name is Ramakrishna. So we should understand that Rama and Krishna are the two fulcrum around which the whole world moves, whole philosophy. Even the Uddhar card is above the ordinary card they are giving. Now they are giving the family card also. Aadhaar card, family card, the final one is Uddhar card. Rama and Krishna, Ramakrishna. The final yoga is Shanti Yoga. And for the progress, development of India, Ramarajyam, Rama has come to Ayodhya now. I have given the Wake Up India Saints Book of Solutions. Only the saints who have no axe to grind can give the best solution without any axe to grind. I have given all the 90 years I have seen. They say that good people suffer. Good people will never suffer. As long as the divine power is working and every nanosecond is governed by the action by your actions, and the Lord takes protection, gives protection. I have seen for 90 years, the Lord takes care of us in such a way. Keep chanting Ram Ram whenever possible, without neglecting your worldly duties. I have lived like that. I have experienced the protection of the Lord in such a way, omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. You can understand. This operates. I have experienced the power of God, the affection, the love. Nobody loves humans more than the Lord who created them. The entire creation is His. Everything is created for the happiness of man. Why are we unhappy? Why do we kill each other? Why should it happen? We are now 150 crores. We have so much land, so many rivers. If we harness them, we can provide food for all. There should not be any death out of hunger. Nobody should die. Now they are dying. Children are dying. Parents die in the war. Children are dying for lack of food. What is unfortunate? What is happening to education and humanity? Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram.